I've discovered a new morning smoothie and you're going to love it. It's using some acai. Now, this is full of antioxidants. They call it a superfood. This is actually acai puree, so it's ready to go for your smoothies in the morning. Now, I like to add this to my blender while it's still frozen, so we get a really chilled finish on the smoothie. So we're going to add 1 sachet to our blender. I'm also going to be using some frozen banana, and in that goes, keeps everything nice and cold. I love the addition of some nut milk, so some almond milk for me. Pour that in. And I guess this is the exception to the rule when you're having chocolate for breakfast. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cacao. Okay, now the lid goes on and we're going to blend this until it's really smooth. Look at that gorgeous colour. You can see it's a deep colour from the acai puree, but also from the chocolate that we've added. So we're just going to pour that into a glass. Look at that, lovely and thick and glossy. And I love to decorate it with a little bit of desiccated coconut over the top. So I've got a combination of hazelnuts, walnuts, and some sesame seeds, and for some extra chocolate, just because really good quality, 70% chocolate over the top. Grate that over. That is a delightful smoothie, and what a fun and healthy way to start the day.